Top Resorts in Tahiti, Part 3. Sofitel Kia Ora Moorea Beach Resort. This landmark hotel is built on the longest and most beautiful white sand beach on the island, within a protected marine area. The hotel offers a wide range of accommodations, with a total of 110 luxury bungalows located in the gardens, directly on the beach, or over the water. Historically, this hotel is the first on the island that built bungalows over the water. Sofitel Kia Ora Moorea Beach Resort boasts spectacular views of the Crystal Lagoon and the iconic silhouette of Tahiti Island. The elegant bungalows offer beachfront or garden views. The resort features an outdoor swimming pool and 2 restaurants. The bungalow accommodation is made from natural materials and features a rain shower. Every unit has an LCD TV and Sofitel's exclusive My Bed and features a free minibar with a selection of beers, sodas, and water. At K Restaurant, guests can indulge in a striking fusion of local flavors and traditional French cuisine. The Pure Restaurant offers stunning views and a sumptuous seafood menu. The poolside bar and beach bar offers an idyllic setting to enjoy a drink. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, so you can see more content like it in the future.